Alright, welcome to episode number 75 of the Daily Shed. And today I'm going to be showing a cool picking exercise. And it's also just a nice sort of melodic idea to throw into solos as well. And I'll show it with an A minor two octave scale. You can apply this to any scale, but I'll show you in the A minor scale. And it basically involves double picking, then jumping up to a single note, then down one and double picking that. So like this. So double, then up a third. So you're skipping a note, then back, and double picking that, and jumping up again. So that's one octave. So like that. And it's good. It's really good for your right hand whether you're doing pick style, and I kind of do pick style with pinching my index finger, or just finger style. No matter how you want to play, or with rest strokes or whatever like that. It's also good for your left hand because you're jumping around quicker than you are just playing through just the regular octave scale. You're jumping between strings. Now play it up the whole two octave. Down again. Like that. So it's also really good just as a melodic idea for when it comes time to solo. This sort of thing, it's similar to double picking, but it has a little bit more interest than actually just double picking. Double picking being this just jumps around a little bit. If you listen to jazz much, you'll hear players incorporate this kind of idea where you have the sort of rhythmic kind of idea, da 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 da, like that kind of idea, but playing it again, in different notes, going up a scale or skipping around, but having that same rhythmic idea repeated. So I hope this is useful to you. As always, let me know any comments or questions you may have, and thanks for watching.